Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Max Technical Solution. My name is LD Bhatt and I am the owner of Extrago India. Extrago.in is the website created for the students and local businesses who can list their website, their services on the cloud. So in this video, I will make a video. In this video, I'm trying to teach you that how to build a EMI calculator. Okay, so let's start. I will go on the ChatGPT first. I will use ChatGPT tools in the beginning, and I will check that which tools I have to create. EMI loan calculator, EMI and loan calculator. Okay, so EMI slash loan calculator. Like very easy. You can create at Extrago without any programming knowledge. You don't need to any programming skill. Either you are a student or you are a worker. Anyone can create websites and on the cloud with the help of Extrago. So let's begin the Extrago. Okay. First I'm trying to get the code from ChatGPT. Okay. So here you go. I will write here. Right. Look at the screen. I'm writing a prompt. Here you go, ChatGPT is working right now, and below is a non responsive email loan calculator using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap 5 and font services. I have written it exactly as you asked, three separate parts, so you can copy easily. Okay, first I will copy the head section. Okay, first I will copy the head section code. I copied it. Okay, now go for the body section. Copy this code also. Now go to JS section in the bottom. So copy this code also. I copied three items, and these three codes are enough for making a website at Extrago. I will click on the browser. Browser is Chrome browser, and first I will open Google. Google is a search engine of America. Now I will type Extrago. Do not go with the first result. Go with the second result. Extrago.in. Okay. Here you go. Oh. So first I have opened Extrago right now, and now what I want to do is, if you are a new by you are, then you have to click on create account, create your account here. Okay, if you are a professional, click on the login. You already have any account, then click on the login. Okay, I already logged in. I already created account. I am logging in. Press login button. Okay, yeah, here you go. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard for me. So I already created a website, but I only add a page on the website. Okay, website name is tools.extrago.in, as you can see in the screen. Okay, so now I will go on the website pages. Now I will create another page with the name EMI calculator. EMI EMI or loan calculator. Page name should be loan EMI EMI dash CALCU calculator. EMI calculator. Other things will be same. Press create button. Page is successfully created, as you can see on the screen. Internet is a little bit slow. Page added successfully. As you can see, website is showing page added successfully. Okay, so page is created successfully. I will check where is the page. Normal percentage calculator. No, this one. No, 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 no. This one. No, this one. EMI calculator. Yeah, this is the page I created right now. Now what I want to do is I will click on the setting. Okay, and in enter custom head code, go here and put your head code you copied earlier. This is the head section code. Remove the head tag. Other things will be same. Remove the head tag. EMI loan calculator. This is the title. Okay, I will copy the title here from here. Cut this. Remove the title section also from here. Other things will be same. And if you have body section, then please remove the body section from here. Okay, I will remove the body section because I already created a header for the body colors. Okay, so I disabled this. Working fine, working fine. Okay, uh, change the title as I copied earlier. Okay, email loan calculator. Okay, now what I need to do is enter photo custom JS code. Okay, paste your JavaScript here. I already copied earlier. Here you go. Calculate. Okay, JavaScript is inserted. Okay, update the code. Okay, it, invalid page name or type. Something getting mismatched. Invalid page name or type. Okay, yes, page name. Yes, page name. Page name. I know the bug. Page name. Okay, don't change the page name. Go here and paste the head section content again. Remove the head tag and also remove the head tag from the top. And you need to remove title should be only one. There is a slash. I know what was the error is. There was a slash on the heading. So because of this, page is not created. Okay. So I removed this and remove the body also. And go to bottom, paste your JavaScript at the bottom. Okay, now update it. I think it will work properly right now. Okay. Okay, EMI calculator.html is the page link. Okay, and the EMI loan calculator is the title. Okay, so now I will add the code, main code of the inside of body. Here you go. Body tags. I copied earlier. Now let's see where is this one. Okay, this one. Bootstrap JS. Okay, no issue. Bootstrap JS. I need to copy Bootstrap JS from here and I will paste it. Got it right now from here. Okay. Okay, let's check the code. EMI calculator code. Remove the upper body tag. This is the okay. Now add it. Yes, code is inserted. And one more thing, go to back, go back, go back, go back, go back again, go back. Here, here inside the JavaScript settings, bottom JavaScript, paste the code copied earlier. This one, okay. Now update it, okay. I think it should work now. Click on the view page. One more thing, body tag is doing some mismatch. Okay, other things are good. EMI calculator. Here is the EMI calculator ready. Enter loan amount 2000, 2 लाख कर देते हैं. इंटरेस्ट रेट हम सेट करेंगे 7, जो नॉर्मली 7 होता तो नहीं है एफडी में, बट आई विल ट्राई to write 7 here. Okay, loan tenor means how many times you want to put your FD, or your loan tenor means the time. Okay, you need to you need to pay for time period. Okay, so here you go, loan tenor, so 1 year. Okay, calculate EMI. Here you go, monthly EMI is this one, total interest is this one, total payment is this one. Okay, so this is a very great tool, great website, great tool. And I need to fix some error. Okay, in the header section the text written here is not showing in the above, so I need to fix this. To fix this, I have to remove the body tag on the settings. Okay, head section. Okay, let's check why it's coming. Yes, everything is okay. Add edit code, go here, container calculator, EMI calculator, everything is looking great, but I will fix this. I have many alternative ideas to fix the error. Okay, so okay, let's open the page, edit the URL section, and type here view source. Okay, view source, and press the go button. Here you will get the full code of the website. Now select all and copy. Okay, and put this in the inside of AI tool ChatGPT. So I will paste the code here and will give a prompt. Head section, color mismatch. This is the code I need to write there. Yes, this is the code I need to write there. Copy this, go here, and press the tab section, close it, and go here, and in the settings section, and inside a style, put that code. Okay, update it. Okay, let's check the output. Yes, it's working fine now. No need, no, not any issue. Here you go, everything is working fine now. Extrago online tools. Extrago tools is a collection of fast, simple, and free online utilities. Friends, you will not believe on this website. This website is created under Extrago. This is the great thing. You do not need any hosting. You do not need any domain name. Check out the domain name. What is the domain name is? tools.extrago.in. A subdomain name I'm using here. Okay, subdomain name is this, and here you can calculate your EMI. I already created too much software and tools from this website Extrago. Okay, you can also create your websites at Extrago at very low cost. If you are a student, I will give you a great plan to test your coding, to test your knowledge, to check your knowledge. Okay, So if you are a student, you can purchase our first plan, that is 2499 rupees only for 1 year. And if you are a businessman want to create too much site, then 999 per month is also a plan for you, where you can create 5 to 10 website in a single account with unlimited pages. So that's it. This is a great idea. And you do not need to pay for anything. You only pay one time fee, that is Extrago developer fee, and other things will be free. Hosting is free, SSL certificate is free, subdomain name is free. If you want to add your own domain, then you can also add your own domain here. Means if you want extrago.in is the primary domain name, like this. If you want some new domain name, then that is also possible at Extrago. That's it. Thank you guys.